without any stretching under slack condition. Stretch mercerization means it is done under stretching condition. So what will happen during mercerization? This sodium hydroxide will penetrate into the cotton fiber. And when it penetrates into the cotton fiber, what will happen is what is the size of a balloon? Normal balloon. It is shrink. When you blow air into it, what happens? It becomes bigger in size. Similarly, when the sodium hydroxide gets into the pores of the cotton yarn, it swells. Okay, it swells. Swells means it becomes larger in size. Okay, and this swelling will cause some lustre to the fabric. When a person is very thin, okay, cheeks and all will be very, but it's dry like that. But the same person becomes some choppy. You can see the glow in face. Similarly, these sodium hydroxide, when it enters into the pores of the cotton yarn, the cotton yarn swells, and that will give you lustre to the cotton fabric. Okay. Not only apart from lustre, what are the other things mercerization can do? What are the benefits of mercerization? The first one is enhanced lustre. Okay, so along with lustre, it will also impart softness, okay, smoothness to the surface. Softness and smoothness to the surface. So when you take a cotton fabric which is shiny, somewhat glossy in finish, you can assume that it is a mercerized cotton fabric. Okay. Second one is increased strength and durability. Okay. When this sodium hydroxide enters into the cotton yarn, that is the fibers, it has some enhanced strength. Okay. This cotton fabric, it has good strength. Okay. So the strength is also improved. And durability means the time which it can be used. Okay. So the cotton fabric can be used for a longer period. This is one of the benefits. Third benefit is improved diaphragm. Since the cotton yarns are swelled, it will also help with improved diaphragm. So a mercerized fabric will have uniform diaphragm and an improved diaphragm, and the dyeing will happen in a very uniform way. That is one of the another benefits. Last one is dimensional stability. What is this dimensional stability? Some of the fabrics, though, when you wash, okay, they will be like this. But when you wash, they will become, the size will become somewhat different. Okay, but in the case of mercerized fabric, the dimensional stability is retained. Okay, there is no shrinkage in mercerized fabric. Okay, usually cotton fabric they will shrink, but mercerized cotton they will not shrink. The dimensions remain the same. So these are all the benefits of mercerization. Apart from this mercerization, do we have any other technique which will impart lustre to cotton fabric, and also these benefits also will be there. You will see a list of methods. What is singeing? Okay, singeing will impart lustre, smoothness, but no improved diaphragm at all. Okay, so sustainability important. Biopolishing means again a different method of finishing cotton fabric. Here also there is no improved diaphragm. Biopolishing adds lustre and smoothness alone. And then third one is calendering. Calendering is a mechanical process. Okay, so it is also a finishing method. There is no improved diaphragm. Ammoniation. This is only one method which will equal mercerization. Okay, it can also be called as ammonia mercerization because